Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video how to exchange columns in Microsoft Word. So let's started. At first, open your Word document file. Firstly, then you show the table. This table is columns exchange. Firstly, we show the we exchange the middle columns is the exchange. Firstly, select your columns option, then click for the mouse button is click, move the left and right. That's okay. Then show the exchange the columns. Then again select your columns. Now mouse click from the move. Then again same process is select your columns and mouse click from the moved. That's okay. Then I show the exchange columns in Microsoft Word. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.